Hi viewers, welcome to Rajeshlekkalu. Today our topic is simplex method. This is one of the best important method. See here. Now solve the following LPP, linear programming problem. Maximum z or maximum p equal x1 plus 2x2 subject to constraints. This is the subject to constraints minus x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 8, x1 minus x2 less than or equal to 3. Therefore, x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. Now see here, in this question, he asked in this question, solve the following LPP by using simplex method. Right? Direct we are doing here simplex method. Okay. First suppose solve the following LPP. How we find this is a simplex method or not? So see here, subject to constraints, these two constraints are less than or equal to type. What is that? See here, less than or equal to type. Less than or equal to type, always the simplex method. Okay, remember that this one. Okay, anyone is the greater than or equal in equation is, that is the big M or two-phase simplex method. Okay, see clearly, subject to constraints 2 is 2 here, 2 constraints here, these 2 constraints are less than or equal to type, then we apply simplex method. Okay, remember? Right. Now, first of all, maximization. This is the objective function. Objective function is maximization or not. We check here. Right. Maximization or not. Okay. Right. Subject to constraints, 2 constraints here less than or equal to type or not. See here. Sir, I have a doubt. Here only 2 variables. Why we apply the graphical method in this problem? Okay, clearly. Simplex method is the 2 or more variables involving the subject to constraints, then we apply the simplex method. Okay, right. See here, this therefore x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0, always these values are greater than or equal to 0. Remember that this one. Maximization, this is the objective function, maximization or not, check we here. Right, this is the maximization. Right, solution see, max z x1 plus 2x2. If suppose this is the minimum here, he is given in question, this one objective function is minimum, what we do? See, maximum z equal to minus of min z. Okay, we are using this formula. Okay, now see here, this is the objective function is maximum, so we need not change anything. Okay, clear? Right. Now see here, what is that? Subject to constraints minus x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 8, x1 minus x2 less than or equal to 3. Therefore, x1 comma x2 greater than or equal to 0. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we are applying here simplex method. These 2 constraints are less than or equal to type. We introducing slack variables. The cost size is 0 in the objective function. This is the objective function, in the objective function. Okay, right. Therefore, max z equal to x1 plus 2x2 plus 0 s1 plus 0 s2. This is the objective function. Cost size is 0. 2 slack variables we introducing here. Then go to the standard form. Okay, subject to constraints minus x1 plus 2x2 plus s1. This is a slack variable 1 introducing here, that equal to 8. Okay, now we check here what is the right hand side or constants positive. Okay, x1 minus x2 plus s2 equal to 3. Therefore, x1 comma x2 comma s1 comma s2 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form. This is our objective function. This is decision variables here. See, x1 x2 s1 s2 greater than or equal to 0. Now matrix form. Now we find here matrix form A equal C x1 x2 s1 s2. Okay, right? What is that? See here, minus 1 2 1 0, minus 1 2 1 0. Next 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, S1 is not there here. Second equation 0 1. Okay, right. See, x equals, what is that? x1 x2 x3, sorry, s1 s2. And see, b equals, what is that? 8 3, cj 1 2 0 0. This is the decision variables. X1 coefficient 1, x2 coefficient 2. Okay, s1 slack variable, s2 slack variable. We introducing the slack variables 2 here. Now see, IBFS initial basic feasible solution for the above LPP XB equals B inverse into B. Okay, but what is B here? B matrix is 1 0 0 1. Now how many times of here? Now see here, B inverse equals 1 0 0 1. Don't change this one. Okay, right? XB equals B inverse 1 0 0 1. What is B? B matrix is 8 into 3. Okay, that equal to also 8 3. 8 3. Okay, XB equal to 8 3. Okay, right? Now we are doing the table here. We are preparing the table. See here, we prepare the simplex table here. Basic variables CB, XB, CJ, X1, X2, S1, S2. This is the matrix. Okay, minimum ratio. Now see here. Now this is the delta J formula C, right? Delta J formula Zj minus Cj. Okay, now see here, 1 0 0 1. This is the matrix form. Basic variables is S1 S2, S1 S2. S1 cost is 0, S2 cost is 0. See here, this is the cost. Okay, right? This is the S2. Okay, clearly 1 0 0 1, 1 0 S1, 0 1 is S2. Okay, these cost is 0 0. Okay, this is delta J. Now see here, delta J means here Zj minus Cj. Zj, what is that? CB xj. CB means, see here, CB, that equals, see here, 0 0 matrix form here, minus 1 1 minus 1. See here, 0 into minus 1 0 plus 0 into 1 0 minus 1. See here, this one 0 plus 0 minus 1, that equal to minus 1. Now see here, minus 1. Okay, next 0 into 2 0 plus 0 into minus 1 0 minus 2. This is minus 2. Okay, next 0 into 1 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 into 0 0 plus minus 0. This is also 0. Next 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0 minus 0 0. Now see here, what is the minimum variable here? Delta J. See, this is minus 1 minus 2 0 1 0. What is the minimum here? This is the minimum. Okay, this is the minimum. Okay, now see here, this is XBI, this is our AIR. Now see here, formula del theta I equal to XBI by AIR. These values here, AIR always greater than 0. Remember that this one here. Now write is AIR greater than 0. AIR greater than 0. Okay, XBI 8 by 2 equal to 4. 3 by minus 1, we don't take negative values here. Okay, negative values, we don't take negative. 3 by minus 1 because of AIR greater than 0. Now see, this is the dash here. Now what is the minimum ratio? 4 is the minimum ratio. 4 is the minimum ratio. Now round up here, this is one. Okay, now this box and this box, what is this is the pivot element or key element. These two values, this number is pivot element or key element. The key element, next we are doing another iteration that will become 1, that will become the 1, and that column is 0 another variables. Okay, now see here, this is p 2 is the key element, this is the first iteration. Okay, now r1 cap equals r1 by 2 divided by 2. Now see here, this is the 1 minus 1 by 2, 8 by 2 4, okay, 0 by 2 0, sorry, see this is not right, 1 by 2, okay, 0 by 2 0. Okay, now see, this is a new row, this is old row minus or addition, then become the another iteration second row. Okay, now see here, new 1 minus 1 plus 1, this column minus 1 plus 1 0. What is this? Is the old row r2 minus new row r1 cap minus 1 minus 2. So r2 minus r2 plus r1, that equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Clearly this is the pivotal or key element. Key element is next iteration is 1, that column all variables are 0, depends on first row. Okay, now see here, minus 1 plus 1 0. Now this formula 1 minus 1 by 2, that equal to 1 by 2. Now see here, 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2 1 by 2, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1. Okay, 1 plus 0 1. Now second iteration, see here. Okay, right, next 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 3 7. Now using this one formula, what is that? r2 plus r1 cap, 4 plus 3 7. Okay, now see here, basic variables 1 0 x2, 1 0 x2, 0 1 s2. Matrix is the basic matrix, what is that? 1 0 0 1. Okay, right, 1 0 s2, 0 1 s2. Now the cost size x2, cost size 2, s2 0. Now delta j, see here, 2 into minus 1 by 2, 2 into minus 1 by 2, 2 into minus 1 by 2, to see here, 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 0 into 1 by 2, 0 minus 1, this one is minus 1, this one is minus 1, 2 get cancelled, see here, that equal to minus 1 that equal to minus 2. Now see here, minus 2. Okay, next 2 ones are 2 plus 0 minus 2, 2 minus 2 0. Next 2 into 1 by 2 1 plus 0 minus 0 1. Next 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0 minus 0 0. Now see here, delta j is the minimum value is minus 2. Now see here, this is the round up. Okay, see here, XBI minimum ratio, XBI by AIR, XBI by AIR always greater than 0, AIR always greater than 0. Now see here, this is the greater than 0, not, so we don't take here, right, 7 by 1 by 2, 7 by 1 by 2, that equal 14. Okay, right, this is the minimum ratio. Right, this is the pivot or key element, two boxes around here, this one is pivot or key element, this term. Next iteration is 1, that column is all variables are 0. Okay, 1 by 2 into 2, what is that? r2 tends to r2 into 2. Okay, that equal to what is that? 1 by 2 into 2, 2 get cancelled, that equal to 1. Okay, right, see here, 1 here. Okay, 7 into 2 14, 0 into 2 0, 1 by 2 into 2 1, 1 into 2 2. Okay, right, see here, old row and new row is subtraction and addition, then we will get the new row in next iteration. Okay, now see here R1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, right? What is that? R1 plus 1 by 2 into R2 cap. Cap means new row. Okay, now see here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1, that equals 0. This is 0. Okay, next see here, next 1 plus 1 by 2 into 0, now this one, that equal to 1. Next 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1, that equals 1. Okay, right. Next 0 plus 1 by 2 into 2, that equal to 1. Okay, are you clear? See here 1 plus 0, 1 here, 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2. What is that? 1. Now see here 4 plus, now 4 plus 7 into 1 by 2. 4 plus 7 by 2, that equal to, see here, what is that? 14. 2 7s are 7 plus, that equal to 11. Now see here, this is the 11. Now see next 1 0 0 1. We see here basic matrix here 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. What is that? x2 0 1 x1. But what is the cost size here? 2 and 1. Okay, delta j. Now see here 3 iterations are completed. Now we will check delta j. 2 into 0 0, 1 1s are 1, minus 1 0, 2 into 1 2, plus 0, 2 minus 2 0. Next 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 0 3. Next 2 plus 2 4, minus 0 4. See here all delta j are greater than or equal 0, then stop the procedure. Okay, therefore all delta j greater than or equal to 0, delta j, this one, values are greater than or equal to 0, then stop the procedure. Therefore max z equals, what is that? x1 plus 2x2, that equals, see here x1 value, what is that? 11 plus, okay, x1 1 into 14 plus 2 into 11. See here x1 value is 1 into 14 plus x2 2 into 11, that equals 14 plus 22. Now see here, what is that? 36. See, max z equal 36 at x1 equal 14, x2 equals 11. Okay, this is the simplex method table. Okay, do you have any doubt? Please comment, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget like and share. Thank you everyone.